students, last class we have seen about the topic external morphology of rabbit. Okay, in today's class we are going to discuss about a new topic, digestive system of rabbit. Okay, what is digestive system? Digestive system include the alimentary canal and digestive gland. The first one, the digestive system include the alimentary canal. Okay, so next second one, digestive glands. Okay, the first one, the next is the buccal cavity leads to the alimentary canal consists of many parts. Okay, the first one, mouth, buccal cavity, fornix, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, rectum, large intestine, rectum, anus. Okay, what are the first? The first buccal alimentary canal leads to first one, mouth. Mouth next leads to buccal cavity. So next one, fornix, esophagus. Okay, so next one, stomach, small intestine. So next one, large intestine. Rectum. So next part, anus. So okay, what are the parts? The first one, mouth, buccal cavity leads to fornix leads to esophagus leads to stomach leads to small intestine in the next large intestine, next rectum, the last excretory part, anus is present. Okay, this is the first what are parts. So next we see the next part, the buccal cavity. The buccal cavity leads to okay, next one, first see the part, mouth. Mouth is a transverse slit bounded by upper lip and lower lips is present. Mouth is a transverse slit like bounded by upper lip and lower lip is present. Okay, the mouth leads to buccal cavity. The floor of the buccal cavity is contained muscular tongue is present. Okay, muscular tongue is present. Okay, jaw, bear, teeth. Okay, already you know two jaw, upper jaw and lower jaw is present. So jaw, bear, teeth is present. So next part, the buccal cavity leads to the esophagus through the fornix. Buccal cavity near enga pogo leads to the esophagus leads to through the fornix valiya pogum. So next one, the esophagus open into the stomach. Okay, next part, the cecum is present. What is cecum? Cecum is a small sac-like structure, is called cecum. Okay, where is cecum? What is cecum? Cecum is a small sac-like structure. Is called cecum. Okay. What is the use of cecum? It contains bacteria. What is bacteria? Bacteria is one of the microorganism. Already you know what is the use of this bacteria? It's helping the digestion of cellulose. What is the use? Help in digestion of cellulose. What is digestion? Digestion means large food molecules are converted to smaller food molecules. That is called digestion. Okay. So what is the use of this bacteria? This bacteria help in the digestion of cellulose. Why is cellulose null? Because rabbit is a herbivorous animal. Only eat leaves, carrot, so vegetables item. So cellulose is present inside the stomach. So what is the help in the digestion of cellulose? Cellulose is digest no. So next one part, the small intestine. Next the small intestine leads to the large intestine. Next part, the small intestine. small intestine la nera food nera ega poguna the large intestine which has two parts is present, cecum and colon is present. So next part rectum is present. Okay, rectum is directly open to the finally open to the anus. What is anus? Anus is a excretory part. இதான் எது last இதோட feces வெளிய வரக்கூடிய இடம் தான் எது anus அப்படிங்கிற part. Okay, the first part the stomach. What is the next one? Digestive glands part. Next part digestive glands. Digestive glands. Okay, what are the digestive glands? The first one salivary glands. Salivary glands. Okay, so next one gastric glands. Gastric glands. Next liver, pancreas. Pancreas. So last one intestinal glands. Intestinal glands. Okay, what are the intestinal digestive glands? The first one salivary glands. So where is salivary gland secrete? In the mouth, inside the mouth. Mouth kulla, for example, parotid. So only as a parotid glands secrete. So it is a salivary gland. Next one gastric gland. Gastric gland, for example, pepsin, renin. So the gastric gland secrete. What is the area? This area. Okay. Next liver. Where is liver? This is liver. Okay, liver la enna irukum. So next near the pancreas irukku. Next what is pancreas? Pancreas la enna irukum? Alpha and beta hormone, glucagon or insulin secrete the next hormone. This hormone is helpful for the digestion of cellulose. Okay, next intestine is a small intestine. Two type of intestine. First one small intestine, next one large intestine. So the intestinal glands is present inside the. What is the use of the digestive gland? The secretion of digestive gland help in the digestion of food in rabbit. Okay, what is the use? Digestion. What is digestion? Already I told. What is digestion? The macromolecules are converted into micromolecules. Enna nadakkum digestion la? Macromolecules is converted to micromolecules. Okay, macromolecules are converted to micromolecules. So next topic dentition in rabbit. Okay, dentition in rabbit. Dentition of rabbit. Okay, what is dentition? Dentition is palloda amepun solluvom illaya. So in the first one in rabbit, upper jaw and lower jaw is present. Teeth is a hard bone like structure. Teeth is a very very hard bone like structure. Hard bone like structures. Okay, what is the use of teeth? This is used for the cut, tear and grind the food materials. எதுக்காக யூஸ் பண்ணுது அப்படினா கட் பண்ண, okay, tear பண்ண and grind the food materials. The food materials. Okay, food materials. So next one, the in rabbit has a two set of teeth is present. First one milk teeth, second one permanent teeth. The first one milk teeth, two set of teeth. First one milk teeth, second one permanent teeth. Permanent teeth. What is milk teeth? What is the main difference between the milk teeth and permanent teeth? Milk teeth, milk நாலே ஒன்னு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும், தமிழ்ல பால் பற்கள் அப்படினு சொல்வாங்க. So permanent அப்படினா அதுக்கு அப்புறம் உள்ள நிலையா உள்ள பற்கள் தான், that is called permanent teeth. What is milk teeth only எப்ப இருக்கும்னா young stage. இப்ப நம்ம சின்ன பிள்ளைங்களுக்கு எப்படி பல்லு விழுந்து முளைக்கும் இல்லையா, அதே மாதிரி. So young stage. Okay, so the permanent teeth in adult. Okay, so it is the two type of teeth is present. So it is called diphyodont. Diphyodont. Okay, this is very very important, noting the one word. Okay, so next one, the different type of teeth. Not only milk has two type, milk teeth, permanent teeth. Another one, the teeth kind of many varieties. The first one, four kind of teeth: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. The first one teeth, incisor. Next one canine, premolar and molar. Molar. Okay, so 4 kind of teeth. In rabbit, for example, incisor, upper and lower jaw, 2, 1, 0, 0 canine, premolar, 3, next one, 3, 3. So this is a dental formula of rabbit. Dental formula. Okay. Dental formula means the first one incisor, மேலையும் கீழையும் சேர்த்து சொல்லணும், upper jaw and lower jaw. Okay, so மேல எத்தனைக்கும் 2 incisor. For example, the short format incisor I means 2 by 1. Okay, so next canine. What is canine? Canine means 0, 0. So the canine, the second is canine are absent. Canine are absent. Canine are absent. Okay, so 0, upper jaw 0, lower jaw 0. So next one teeth premolar. Premolar upper jaw 3 and lower jaw 2 teeth present. So premolar 3, 2. So last one molar teeth. நம்ம சொல்லுவோம்ல தமிழ்ல முன் கடவாய்ப்பல் பின் கடவாய்ப்பல், அதான் molar and premolar and molar. Okay, so next one molar, the premolar, PM short format molar 3 by 3. So molar upper jaw 3 present and lower jaw 3 present. So what is the formula of rabbit, dental formula of rabbit? 2033 1023. It is very, very important. So learn it. Very, very important. Okay. So next one, the difference between the gap between the first one incisor and premolar, that is called diastema. The gap. For example, இந்த பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும், இதுக்கு gap இருக்கு. The first incisor teeth, next one premolar teeth, the gap is present. The gap is called diastema. The gap is called diastema. Okay, the gap is called diastema. Okay. What is the use of the teeth? They help in the digestion of food material in herbivorous animals. The type of the diastema gap present now, it is the main important use. It help in the digestion of herbivorous animals. Digestion of herbivorous animal. Because rabbit is a herbivorous animals. So diastema type of teeth is present. Okay. So what you learn today? First we see the part. First see the digestive system. So what are the parts? First one. Next dentition of rabbit. Dentition of rabbit, maximum 4 kind of teeth is present: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Canine is absent. Okay, what is the formula of teeth? 2 by 1, 0, 0, 3 by 2, 3 by 3. Okay, last point, the diastema. What is the use of diastema? Help in the digestion of herbivorous animals. So today home assignment, today homework, how is diastema formed in rabbit? Next, explain the dental formula of rabbit. Explain the dental formula. Dental formula of rabbit. Okay students, thank you.